Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Newport-Ouest is a small and charming community, located in the heart of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This quiet little area is part of the larger town of Chandler, which is nestled along the beautiful Bay of Chilla. With its calm waters, stunning coastline, and amazing views, this area is full of natural beauty. Newport-Ouest is part of a region that has a fascinating history. The Gaspé Peninsula was one of the first areas in North America to be settled by Europeans. Over time, people of French, Irish, and English descent came to this area, drawn by its rich fishing grounds and stunning landscapes. Today, Newport-Ouest reflects that mix of cultures, and you can feel its history in the peaceful, small-town atmosphere. The forests and rolling hills surrounding Newport-Ouest make it a great spot for outdoor activities. Whether you enjoy hiking, fishing, or simply taking in the scenery, this place has something special to offer. In the winter, the area transforms into a snowy wonderland, perfect for snowshoeing and other winter adventures. Fishing has always been a big part of life here. The waters of the bay and nearby rivers are full of life, making them popular spots for recreational and commercial fishing. This connection to the sea is a big part of the local culture and history. Life in Newport-Ouest is peaceful and simple. It's a place where you can slow down and enjoy nature. Whether you're here for the stunning landscapes or the quiet charm, Newport-Ouest is a place you'll always remember.